Traders, ladies and gentlemen, we are welcoming you here back to this new session, evening session. Ladies and gentlemen, today is Thursday. This is the last day of our week for the evening session. Ladies and gentlemen, we're very happy to be here. It's already 9 p.m. after 24 minutes, 25 minutes past 9 p.m. Eastern Time here. We're very excited to be here to wrap up with this last session. Trader, it's a pleasure for me. I'm Samuel Ngon and happy to be here. I'm going to welcome also those in French. Mesdames, Mesdemoiselles, Messieurs, chers traders, bienvenue sur cette dernière session de la semaine, ce qui concerne le soir. Voilà, nous sommes à 25 minutes passées de 21 à 25. Voilà. Donc, nous sommes très heureux d'être encore ici. Nous remercions Dieu de nous avoir aidés. Alors, nous allons commencer cette soirée. Nous sommes aussi, nous disons merci à ceux qui ont été présents à la session de la matinée. Nous l'avons passée aujourd'hui, encore la deuxième fois. Donc, nous sommes très très contents aussi d'avoir pu passer cette session. Donc, nous allons sauter sur les analyses et commencer. Trader, we are going to start with analysis of our trade here. I mean, the market. Before we jump there, we want to thank those who have been here this morning at 9 Eastern Time, 9:30. We started today, so very grateful. We say thank you for those who were there present. Now we're going to finish with this Thursday session. So we're checking now our daily chart. We see that we move up. We have a green candle, moving up, and we still have gap. So this evening we may be going up again. So we already move up. We don't know if we're going to break down on red. It's possible. It's very possible. So we need to keep our eyes there, ladies and gentlemen. Very, very important. Very, very important to check. So we are now in 1 hour. Trader, let's go now to our 15 minute, 4 hours. We're gonna see 4 hours now. We're now drying up back. So 4 hours here. You see it pull back, starting 4 hours. Trader. So we have 4 hours small pullback starting here. And now we see our 4 hours here. Nous regardons nos 4 heures, nous voyons déjà que nous sommes au rouge, la réplique. Nous sommes en train de replier. Donc, nous sommes maintenant en train de voir notre nos 5 minutes. Trader. I will sit here. Here. All right. So, trader, we are moving a little bit down, as I told you. You can check and see. So, we saw a big move from the upside. This evening probably might go down, as you can see, because after this big move, I think it's reasonable to think that maybe going down. Sorry about that. All right, so we're now going down. Need to be careful. Need to be careful. We are now on our 20 EMA here. So we're going to see if it looks like we're breaking the 20 EMA, but let's see if we're gonna break the 50 simple moving average. Let's see if we're gonna have a break or a pullback. As you can see here, we're having a pullback. This evening we can experience just a drop, because all day long, as you can see here, our trade went up all day. Now maybe this evening we might experience a pullback. Je disais que notre trade, quand nous le regardons dans la journée, nous voyons que nous avons eu une très grande montée. Voilà. Parce que lorsque nous regardons, si je mets ici, nous allons voir que ça c'est la montée d'aujourd'hui. Voilà. Nous avons eu cette grande montée. Trader, we have this move from the bottom to the top this evening. I mean, this morning. So yesterday also, we started yesterday night and we keep going up and we pull back a little bit, and now we're having a cup here. So normally people have to take a profit. Yeah, people have to take a profit. So we might experience the downtrend this evening, all day night. All night. Yeah, we might experience the downtrend. So let's see. We shouldn't jump the gun. We need to wait and see. We have our 1 hour here now. We're dropping, probably. What I'm going to do here is that I'm going to take a short here and place my stop above. Trader, I'm going to take a short here and place my stop above. I'm taking a short trade. I'm placing my stop above the, added a little bit my, taking a short, placing my stop above my candle. So I'm placing the stop. This helped me to preserve my capital. Place my stop. If you go back here, it will kick me out. Always have a stop on the market, trader, no matter what. Very, very important. Always have a stop on the market. I took US Japanese is pulling back. Je place mon stop ici, afin que s'il arrive que le marché rentre par derrière, je vais sortir du trade, trader. Voilà. And now, what is my target? Because when you trade, you have to have a stop on the market and have target. So let me reduce. Okay, trader, my target gotta be below here. So I target 200 was exponential moving average. That is my target. And let's see how much I'm losing here. Okay, I'm now on in green. That is my first target. Let's see this other target here, trader. Okay, this one, I just take it here. This is my target, my PT. Okay, I target also the 200 simple move, exponential moving average. So this target here is I gotta take 1-to-1 trader, 1-to-1 risk reward. Place my target here as well, because very important in the market. When you get into the market, you gotta have your stop in place in your target. We're gonna make money when the stock is coming down. You're making money. As you can know, there is two ways to make money in the market. When the market is going up, you make money by taking the long, and when the market is pulling back down, you make also money by going what we call short. So let's see what I want to get here. We have a session this morning, traders. This morning we have a good session. It's true that I have an emergency and I left, but we have a good session this morning. That is, we thank God because He allows us to respect our, our plan. Our plan was to go live this morning. We did it at 9:39, I think so. So when live is good. Trader having a pullback, a small pullback here. We may have a pullback going up to here. It's possible. So our trade are coming back against us. If that is the case, we're going to hold it and wait. Hopefully, it will not break the resistance. Don't forget, trade never go straight forward, down or up. You go up and down, up and down. You have just to stick in your plan. Gotta stick on your plan. You already have you already go against us. That's fine. I will stop there in the market. Always having stop in the market, which is good. Our trade is moving up with the speed. Nous voyons nos trades sont allés en train d'aller vers le haut. Nous espérons qu'ils vont redescendre. We hope we're gonna come back down. Let's wait. I have 6 trades for the short. Hopefully, trader. We want to welcome those who are already connected, traders. We very appreciate you guys to be connected, and we encourage you guys to, like our video, thumbs up, and also subscribe if you're new. It's going to help our channel to grow. We see how our trade are going against us right now. Keep moving up. Hopefully we'll not get a break. We're moving. trader. It's not good for us. Not good to see. Not good to see. Hopefully, we'll not break there. If in case we have a breakout there, I will start considering to go long. You know, because it may happen. I may have a break on the resistance, but hopefully we'll have a pullback. Hopefully. Let's watch and see. As a reminder, trading is very, very difficult. We encourage you guys to trade the demo account, not live account. Demo is good, or prop firm account. Otherwise, if you want to use the real money, just a tiny account. Very, very important to remind you guys. We are now on the resistance, almost. Moving up. Trader, we're moving for the break. This is serious. US Japanese. Let's see if we're going to have a new high. My stop is there. China also on a break. No good. Gotta be ready. If we have a first break, I will start getting out. But USA Japanese, I don't think that we might have a new high. But China is look like China is going to break first. I don't know. How was the entry on the 50? Not good here to see. Also Canadian trying to break. Want to see a reversal, trader. Want to see a reversal, rejection and reversal. Let's keep holding. China is forcing to break. Now good to see, trader. No 7 trade. Wow. China want to break now. Trader, look like we're moving up. Now our first losing trade maybe China, Japanese. I'm still holding here. Maybe my break and reject, who knows? Also, Canadian already break. Go to a new high. Let's keep holding. We don't know. Nobody knows the outcome of the trade until it happens. Sometimes it come close to your stop and it doesn't kick you out. Come back down. But it's a possibility. Coming back down. Let's keep watching. Hopefully. Need to see a rejection. Comme c'est grande montée, trader, c'est pas facile de regarder quand le trade va contre vous. Not easy to see a trade coming against you, but you have to keep holding. That is what I said the other day, that it's very easy to hold the losing trade than the winning one. Okay, we see now a pullback, which is great. Hopefully, it won't be just a retest and continuation up. Want to see a clear pullback. Nice. Nice retracement. Want to see a continuation down. Don't want to see a rejection. This is a low high. Want to see higher low. We see now rejection from the low. Not good. We're expecting our trade to keep coming down. Not good to see. Canadian, Japanese forcing to turn green. It's not something you want to see. Very Japanese as well. The trade are powerful this evening, so we're going to take any outcome. But I would like to see another candle forming. Thank you. We saw now how China is pulling back in red. Great. That is what I want to see. Also GBP doing better. Want to see Canadian coming back down as well. Australia, Japanese doing great. Great for China. China is pulling back down. It's great. Want to see the high-low forming properly. Sometimes the trade want to take direction, but you know, it shake you guys first by taking opposite direction. But sometimes if you're not an experienced trader, you will just jump out, you know, and finally take the direction. It happens sometimes, most of the time, you know. But let's stick on it. Let's keep, you know, hold our plan. Follow our plan here, trader. Our plan is to see this trade coming down. You sit you down a trade, see trade. Watching US Japanese is pulling back green. You know something you want to see? Want to see a continuation down? Keep holding. Want to see China breaking the support, the 50, and keep coming down. Trader, great, nice, nice. Want to see the break and continuation. We're down a lot, but now we're reducing our losses are coming. Let's keep holding, trader. We have our target on the market. Let's see. Don't want to see a rejection. Oh. Okay, sorry about that. We're moving down. And also want to thank for the new subscriber. Every day, you guys, we have new subscribers to our channel, which is great. Keep moving slowly, nicely. Very, very grateful for those who subscribe to our channels. Coming down, trader. Nice. Want to see our trade down? Watching. That keep coming down. China is doing great job here. We don't want to see a pullback like US Japanese is doing. Want to see a breakdown, continuation. Sell Japanese, want to see him down. Keep holding here. Want also to see the road Japanese down. Red candle down. US Japanese don't want to turn red. As a trader, we have to cope with all those, sensation, if I can call it like that, or all those problems, all those movements. But you gotta know where you're heading. We took this trade for the downtrend. You saw how it took us up, close to our stop. But now we're experiencing some kind of downtrend, which is great. We already turned green. Let's hope that the trade will keep going down. Seller already take control. Keep coming down. Want to see China breaking the 150 simple moving average. Want also to see all our trade coming below the 20. It's just US Japanese, which still above the 120 exponential moving average. Also Canadian Japanese. So want to see them below the 20. Want to see them below the 20. Trader. Keep holding. Let's keep holding our trade. Maybe we may have some kind of pullback. We may have it because it's not easy to hit on the wall and continue straight. Sometimes you hit back. And now when we look at our trade on the 1 hours, we see that we are on a downtrend. Also 4 hours is good. People have to take profit, traders. Let's see. See Euro Japanese is breaking for a new low. Want to see also Canadian is coming lower, which is great. Australia Japanese doing great. I could have added my position here, ladies and gentlemen, because I could really add on my position. I'm adding my position here. I'm adding my position. Yeah, I'm adding my position. I double my position here because I see that the trade is coming down. So let's see. Add my position. I place the stop there. It's a big risk, I know, but I decided to do it. This time I won't place the stop far away. I gotta place the stop here. Not too much because I can't afford it to go far away. Placing my second stop here. So let's see. Placing my stop here. Can't afford it to go all the way to the top. Trader, it's very dangerous what I'm doing. So, but I try to do it. J'ai doublé ma position, trader. J'ai doublé ma position. Nous allons voir si on va continuer. On va voir. On va voir si on va continuer jusqu'ici. On va voir. C'est très dangereux ce que j'ai fait. Mais j'espère que ça va continuer vers le bas. Dangerous, what I did. So, I didn't add on the losing trade. I'm adding here on the winning trade. This is the winning trade I'm adding on, not losing one. Because you shouldn't add on the losing trade. You can just add on the winning trade. When you're winning, now you can add your position, not the losing trade. You gotta bear it, in mind. Always add on the winning trade, not losing one. Traders. Because I saw that I was already in the profit, now I can add my position. Nous sommes toujours là, on observe nos trades, trader. On observe nos trades. US Japanese going against me, pulling up. Trader pulling up. This is my stop on US Japanese here. I don't place it all the way up. Now, if you kick me out, I will be out of the trade with the loss. I have 199. All right, US Japanese close to my stop. My second stop. Now Australia is doing great. US Japanese want to kick me out. Trader. So I'm out of US Japanese with my second trade. No good. Trader, no good. That is what I was saying, that what I was doing was dangerous. It was very dangerous. All the guys are coming down. US Japanese moving up back to my stop. No good. Trader. I couldn't experience this. I couldn't expect this to happen. But it's happening. I take it. Take it. Let's watch and see. Look, my trade, one of my trade on US Japanese. Hopefully it will go back down. China also moving up with the speed. Couldn't expect this kind of move back. Let's watch. China maybe will go also and kick me out. This happened to me last time as well. I was on the winning trade like this nicely, and now I added my position. Sometimes when I add my position, it looked like I'm telling the trader, hey, you know what, move against me, move back, you know, and directly the trade start moving back. Happened to me many times here, trader. But I take it. Take it. Hopefully we see China pulling back down. US Japanese coming down. If US Japanese break here, break the 50, I will add again my position. I don't want to add on the losing trade. I'm adding on the winning trade. I'm out of China as well. Trader. Not good. Let's see. My other stop still there. I'm waiting for US Japanese to break this lower. So they're moving up. So out again, trader on Canadian. See holding trader. I could have just take my profit when I was coming down, but I didn't do it. I didn't do that. added my position, which exposed me more, and now my trade is going against me. That's fine. Sometimes it happens, trader. If US Japanese break here to go to a new high, trader, I think I'll get out of my trade. I will take a loss. So let's see. Trying to see if I can take a loss or in all my trade. Because you are Japanese trying to break to go up. You see that GBP going up. So I'm taking a loss here, trader. Taking a loss in all my trade. I prefer. This is a big one. So now good to see. Taking a loss out of all my trade. Ça a été un bon trade que j'ai commencé, mais à la fin, les choses n'ont pas donné comme je pensais. US Japanese went to the new high and reject. So not good to see. Not good to see, trader. You need to wait. We saw the low high. We may re-enter the trade. Need to be careful. If my trade comes below the 20, I may consider again. First losing trade here around. It's already past 10. Let's wait for another opportunity. When we look at our trend, US Japan already break. Almost, yes, it break here, but slowly. The other guy is still below the resistance. So I think I'm not interested on the long yet. Gotta keep waiting and see. Unless I see a clear something showing that this trade want to go up. Okay, now also we have now our trade here on the Canadian. So let's see. We're going to have a new high. Can re-enter the trade anytime. Let's see. That is the lower high. Technical analysis was below. Watching trader. Trader will worry. We're waiting here to see what the market going to do. On va attendre. J'ai perdu la première fois. Bon, cette fois-ci, on attend. On continue à attendre. Those who are new to our channel, you guys can subscribe or like our video to support our channel. This is a free channel. The only thing you guys can do is to support it by liking or subscribing or share our videos. You know, we'll be very grateful. Let's see what the Japanese look like. You want to go to another high. That's it. The Japanese is moving up. Nice with UA Japanese. This one is a little bit tricky because it's difficult to know what UA Japanese going to do next. I don't want to chase it up. I don't want to do that because the other guy is still below the resistance. So I prefer to wait and take the high low. I don't know that we could have this kind of move, especially because the market move in the morning or during the day a lot. Want to take a reversal. Australia want to come down. All those trades want to come down. Gotta wait and see. Sometimes when you're trading and it doesn't work, you step away, you step out, and you watch. You know what the market gonna do. See how it move into the resistance. See continuation up. China is wanna break. US Japan already break here. China wanna break now. This is insane, man. Really insane. But let's wait. Maybe we might see a rejection down. This is insane. This one. I don't want to keep chasing it up. This is China here. It's on the resistance. Trader, I'm going to take a short right away again. All of them here. I'm taking a short here. I'm taking a short again. Those four at this time, and my stop gotta be above here. Place my stop there. Those four trades. The reason I'm taking those trades is that I saw on the 1 hours or 4 hours, I saw a big resistance. So that is why I know I'm jumping the gun. So Let me see here also on Australia. I'm taking Australia for a short. This guy as well. Let's see my stop here. Going short again. This is five minute candle. So let's see. This is my second chance. Trader. My second chance. Let's see if I'm gonna fail again. Watching. Start coming down, I will add again on my position, but I don't want to add again because my money management, because if I lose again this trade, I'm going to lose too much. I could have add again when I start coming down, but I don't want to do that this time because I lost a lot the first one. So because the trader have to have some kind of amount of money you have to lose in a day. So when you're already that kind of amount, you shouldn't have more risk, taking a lot of risk again. So for that reason, I'm not adding on my trade. If I just hold this one, that is my stop there. My stop is here above, and I need to place my target as well here, 1 to 1. Moving up. Let's see. Trader, we're now trying to come back down. Let's hold here. We failed the first time. Hopefully this time will be the good one. Want to see our trade down, breaking the 20. You're watching. I'm gonna stop our session today at 11. Probably. We're waiting to see our trade coming down. Want to see China coming back down. Monday, last Sunday we had a red day. Tuesday we have a red day. Wednesday we have a green day. Thursday green day. Today we don't know. We already have a red day. We are now working on the red day today. So let's see. Gonna have another red day today, probably. Our trade don't want to come down. So let's see. Want to see Australia breaking the 200 EMA? We see Euro Japanese keep going up slowly. We don't know where it's going to reverse. Also, GBP. China also taking the new high. Let's see. See a rejection. Trader keep going up. I don't follow the trend. We're expecting our trade to reject and pull back down. Our trade are going higher and higher. So we're having an uptrend here. keep going up. Trader, if it happens that we don't get it, we'll take a loss again and we'll close our trade for today. So, but let's see. That is why we say trading is not easy. Very difficult. Sometimes you see the trade, you see the market, the way you see it work differently. We saw now a break on GBP. I was wrong on the market this evening. I was wrong. That is what I was saying, that I didn't want to double my quantity. Approaching now my stops. Be sure that we're going to have a break here. Already have a break. This one, I don't know if we're going to come back down, but you know, I don't hope so, but it's possible. But I like to see a good pullback there. But I don't think that we can have it. Let's see. Want to see pullback? If not, Want to take a loss, trader? Now approaching 11, less than 50 minutes. Want to see pull back here, trader? Good one. It will help. Otherwise, we're going to take a second loss. Another move there going to trigger my stop. Pushing the stop. Buyer are still on control. In US Japanese, we see now dirty, which means a change of direction. It's possible, you know, that we may have a change of direction right now, but let's see if we can have it. Maybe this one going to trigger the stop. I don't know. Normally, if you have the move like this one, we can have a good pullback. Because we have how many candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 green candle, 4 hours. No pullback. This is not good. Usually, when we see like this, we could have a big pullback up to maybe more than down, you know. Good one. So want to see seller taking control. Keep coming back down with the speed. I know that to break here it won't be easier because we have a lot of support here. Want to see pull back, big one. Good pullback down. Want to see seller stepping in. You know, sometimes you shouldn't lose hope, you know. Hopefully, gotta keep coming down. Don't want to see a rejection. Approaching 11. Want to see a continuation down. Red breaking the stop, the support. See a continuation down. I don't really know. I don't really know if Australia Japanese gonna drop. I don't really know. I can't certify it because before I was thinking that Australia Japanese could have dropped, because when we look at what happened today, we have something like a lot of, for example, US Japanese, we have 7 green candle, 4 hours, and Australia Japanese also we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can say 7 candle moving up all day. I was expecting those pair to drop, from now, but you saw when I was taking a short. If you see, I was going short, but it keep going up, even broke the resistance here. Everything is possible on trading. I'm not sure if you got a drop at 83.300. I'm not sure. Trading is probability. Nobody gonna predict with exactitude what the trade is gonna do. Nobody can predict, but it's just analysis. People can just guess. People can guess, If you guess, maybe you might be right sometime and sometime might be wrong. What I can tell you is that you just need to place your try and place your stop in case it doesn't work. Risk what you can afford to risk. That is what I can tell you. You just risk what you can afford to risk, and you place your risk tolerance. That's it. That is what trading is about. But apparently, when you look at it, you see that it might drop very well, but you don't know when. You might enter the trade. It's not the right moment to drop. That is my answer. For example, I'm here on the short, but you see what I'm experiencing. Even though I'm the short, the trade doesn't drop, keep going up. Maybe I thought that this time it was dropping, but now it's reversing again. And my stop can be triggered right now. It doesn't mean that it will not drop, but it's just that the time is going to do that. It's not the right one. I took it on the wrong moment. Yep. What is true is that we're going to have a drop. That is obvious. But when we're gonna have it, nobody knows. So just take your risk and just risk what you can afford to risk, and place your stop. And guess. That is what I could have done if I was in your shoes. Because trading is probability. Sometimes you see a setup, a good setup, which worked yesterday, but today it doesn't. Why? Because each trade is unique. Yes, each one is unique. Don't ever compare trade. Even though you see the same technical analysis, the same trend, the same thing, a lot of things can change the outcome of the trade. A lot of things. First of all, we have news. News change the outcome of the trade, no matter what you see on the chart. Now, I'm pushing my stop here on China. See that the trade is strong. Too strong. I'm going to get out on China soon. So if I get out, that's fine. I was saying that a lot of things change the outcome of the trade. If the news can change, also there are central banks. People can decide. People have a lot of money. They decide to change the outcome of the trade. Yes. Maybe you will just look at the chart. You don't know. People who are sitting behind what you're trading. Let's say if I had millions of dollars, I want to pour into the market right now. You will never know. I want to pour it for the long. Maybe you're expecting now the trade going to drop, like I was saying. But you guys don't know that I have millions or billions of dollars. I want to invest in the market right now. And then what happened is what? People would look at the chart and say, okay, this chart going to go down because of the technical analysis, because of the trend, because of the, the daily chart or the weekly chart or the top-down analysis showing that everything going to go down. Yes, it's true. That is analysis. But since I'm sitting here with my billions of dollars I want to pour in the market, I will change the direction of the market. Yes, we as a retailer, we are not able to do that. But there are big shot, central banks, people, billionaires who decide to do that. They change the outcome. As a result, we just need to do what? We just need to take our trade, place our target or our stop on the market and walk away. That's it. You risk what you can afford to risk, not more. So, trader, we're approaching 11. I don't think that I'm gonna get it now because I'm approaching even my stop here. Maybe China gonna kick me out soon. So I'm out of China with a loss here, trader. You can see, already out of China. Japanese kicking me out. So the other guys approaching here. Let's see. Out of China already. Je suis sorti sur China. On va voir les autres s'ils vont aussi me faire sortir. China kicked me out and rejected. Let's see if you come below here, I will enter again. You're watching. It's 11 here, ladies and gentlemen. Trader is 11 here. I gotta see holding my trade, even though maybe probably I may disconnect, but I'm still here. Maybe I gotta give a little bit time again. I will re-enter this trade if it come below a break here. I'm not giving up yet. Trader. Enter the trade again if you break here. Because getting kicked out doesn't mean that things will not happen. It's just that you're on the way of the trade. I'm jumping in again, trader. Placing my stop here. Jumping in again. Let's see. Moving down. Want to see our trade coming down. I'll be back, trader. Keep watching here. Trader, we want our trade to go to another lower. See another low with our candle. Let's see. We're prolonging our trading session here. Coming down. Nice move. Don't want to see a pullback on the 50. See, keep dropping. Nice. Want to see nice drop. Want to see a break? Break to 150 SMA. See a pullback. Trader keep holding. See it on the trade here. Going back up. Want to see a rejection? What I'm expecting to see here is some kind of continuation down. That is what I want to see. That is what I didn't get out of that support, because I expect that support to, bounce like it did and come back down and break, continuation down. That is my analysis. If it doesn't do that, I will take a loss, because my plan wasn't to get out here at this point. Now I have my target here, so let's see. I'm still hoping for the pullback. And it's going up. Maybe I gotta get out again on channel. Moving with the speed. Watching the pullback on Australia Japanese. Reading is hard. Twitter. Yep. Want to see Australia Japanese here breaking? It's hard. Keep moving up. My analysis this evening a little bit difficult, inaccurate, probably. Gotta probably break even here. If it doesn't work, So trader, I need to break here because things didn't work out. So I take a loss again. Taking a loss here, that's fine for today. So I gotta stop trading here today. I was wrong. I was expecting my trade to come down to this level, but I couldn't get it. It just came here and stopped here. That's fine. So taking a loss today. I have red day on, was on Sunday, Monday, and Thursday. So just 2 days, 2 good days, but I'm down. This week it's okay. That is the first month, first week, red week. I take it. Like I was saying, we don't know when this is gonna go down, today or tomorrow. What is true is that we're gonna have a downtrend for this kind of move. We need to, if I place here, you're gonna see this is 4 hours. See our trade went up, like here, it's trying to come down, but even here it's trying to come down. Here, maybe tonight it may come down. Nobody knows. We are already on the resistance here as well. On China here, this is the big resistance. So we need a drop. We need some kind of drop here. I'm gonna get it. So China keep moving up. As you can see, a resistance here. We're already on the resistance. Like here and here. So it was a pleasure for me to trade. We're gonna see tomorrow again. Sunday. Gonna see Sunday, 7 p.m. or 6 p.m. Eastern Time, trader. Ça a été un plaisir pour moi de trade. Et comme j'ai fini par perdre, le processus a été là. On nous revoit dimanche à 18h pour commencer 18h30 probablement pour commencer notre récapitulation de la semaine. Donc, on ne se décourage pas, on continue. Nous avons encore beaucoup de temps devant nous. So, let's keep trying. We'll see. Thank you, trader, and have a beautiful time. We'll see you Sunday. Au revoir, se voit le dimanche.